Oh man, I appreciate that.
They save me a lot of money.
Save you a lot of money?
Save me a lot of money and hassle when I go to you.
Yep.
I did that at like the 11th hour too. So like the fact that you were able to get out here that day.
Yep.
Or whenever we did that back in November.
Yeah, and like I was just telling that lady on the phone, it's also that convenience that people love.
Yeah.
People love that it can be done. Unless I'm doing like a huge mansion or commercial, it can be done in one day, and people can get in the house the same day. And especially if you do the UV cure. But like I said, you was moving in, so you didn't have any furniture, so you didn't have. It wasn't that big of a rush. But yeah, man, people love that screen recoat. But like just like you heard me talking to that lady on the phone, she got 2 quotes to sand it, and she wants to move forward with my process. And she never heard of screen recoat.
Yeah, you know, I guess like we have no recourse, right? Like, so even if you come out and you do the screen recoat and it didn't work, which it did obviously, but you know what I mean? Like, it's just like I'm either gonna spend $20K or I'm gonna take a risk and go with this guy. I mean,
there you go. So $20K, and what was the first time? Like 4,000?
yeah.
Yeah, and this time was 6. I mean, I'm sorry, 2. So that's 6. So even still 6,000 compared to 20,000. That's a huge. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy. Ooh, look at them floors, man. So let me tell you something. Happy Wednesday, by the way. Today is February the 12th. We are out here in the Buckhead, Atlanta, Georgia area. This is a repeat client. This is Mr. 𝐟𝐸𝐻. I was out here. I just looked at the video on YouTube. I was out here November 17th. So it's almost been 3 months. 𝐟𝐸𝐻, we came out here, did this floors for him, did some color correction. He was quoted by numerous companies to sand the floors, which was exceeding over $10,000. He was moving in at the time, and he said, Courtney, he found my videos. He did this research. I came out here, and he wrote me one of the best reviews I've ever had a client write. Well, anyway, Mr. 𝐟𝐸𝐻 reached out to me last week, said, hey, Courtney, I want to get you back out here to do some more floors for us. We're going to be doing a few rooms upstairs. This is a 4-story home, 2 hallways and all the stairs. The phone has been ringing. I booked another job for this Sunday. I'm going to be working Sunday, going to Chattanooga, Tennessee for a client that found me on YouTube to do some engineered floors. The phone has been ringing a lot today. Booked a few consultations based off pictures and videos. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing today. So it is a rainy day today out here. It's kind of slowing down. It has been raining all day yesterday and all day today. So anyway, we was out here 3 months ago. Guys, look how good these floors still look. This was the Pro Coat Aqua Pro Satin. And last time we was here, we did all of this. We did all of this right here. Also some color correction over there that came out amazing. So we did the whole main floor of the house, the kitchen, all of this right here. This is 3 months ago. Floors still look amazing. That's what happened when you use a good finish. And we also did these stairs, that foyer, and these stairs, and that hallway. But today, show you what we're going to be doing. Mr. 𝐟𝐸𝐻, he just got in from out of town, so he's moving some stuff around. We're going to be doing all these stairs. So I'm going to have Tavares screening down all the stairs. All right. Lots and lots of stairs. We're going to be doing this hallway. And then we're going to be doing the master bedroom. He has new furniture coming this Friday, so that's perfect. So we're going to be doing the whole masters. Then we're going to be doing these stairs, lots of stairs. So glad I lost weight over the years. The stairs used to kill me. And then this whole area right here. All right, guys, like I said, today is a rainy day. That's a soccer field right there. So you see it's raining. All right, guys, let's get in here and get started. Stay tuned. All right, do you need for a few minutes? Yes. Okay, perfect. All right, guys, we are done. Floors came out great. My client is very, very happy with the process. I just had some new leads come in, and one just based off the pictures and the square footage. I booked her for next Friday. It's a luxury vinyl plank floor clean and buffing. She found me from watching my videos. Check these floors out. Also the stairs. And also too, guys, what I want to do is show you, again, I have been behind so many companies because they use cheap finish. And this is one of the reasons why your finish can start failing or it doesn't hold up as well. Now, I know it's only been 3 months, but still, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to go down to the main floor. So the main floor, well, the second part of the house, second level of the house, we did 3 months ago, and we used nothing but 2-component finishes, and 2-component finishes are the best finishes besides the rad coat. Rad coat is like the Rolls Royce. Your 2-component is going to be like your Mercedes Benz. So anyway, guys, we did these floors right here exactly 3 months ago. You see that? No scratching. That's what a good finish does. If this was a cheap finish, see, it's not leaving any burnish marks. Okay. See that? This is why my clients give me a lot of compliments of how well their floors hold up because of the type of finish I put on the floor. And like I said at the beginning of my video, next month I have a client. I did her floors 4 years ago. And she said, Courtney, I don't know what you put on this floor, but it is holding up so good. We're ready to get it done again. And they want to keep it maintained. That's the thing, guys, is keeping the floors maintained so you don't have to get the floors fully sanded or replaced. All right, guys. Get out this rain. We have a screener recoat UV cure tomorrow. We have 2 screener recoat UV cures Friday. Screener recoat UV cure Saturday, and then a screener recoat out of town on Sunday, and just booked my 5th appointment for next week. See you in the next one.